Hello everyone. This is Market Deep Dive morning preparation for the 7th of February 20 and 25. Today we open, as usual, we talk first about the important news today, which is none. I don't see any important news today at all, and that might be a good thing because it could be a very technical driven day as usual. The few of the stocks that's worth mentioning is Pinterest. Pinterest gaps up quite big, around 20%, and the main reason I guess is uh, so basically good earnings. And however, I would like to highlight this thing, which is the monthly active user are at all-time high at 553 million, versus the estimates of 546. This is very good because uh, as we know, this Pinterest is very user base company. So seeing monthly active users increasing like this is very good for the companies, and I think markets know that. And when we see the chart for Pinterest, we can see that it has been um, kind of neglect for quite some times, and then we see this push here. I think it is very interesting to buy here, and we might want to buy around here, of course. And so we will see what the mornings will bring to us. And then we have so for the we have economics calendar. So basically, we already do the non-farm payroll, um, and it's quite lower than usual, uh, and that normally that will be interpreted as bad for the company, so they need to reduce the rate. That's the normal what they would um, interpret this. That typically is good um, for the stock market. Yeah. So although it's bad for the economy, and but other than that, we don't have anything substantial today. And then we have earnings. So for earnings today, we already do the big one, which is Pinterest. But other than that, I don't see any stocks that's worth mentioning. We have next Monday we will have McDonald, we will have all semiconductor, and yeah. So look, Lowe's, uh, so those big names. But other than that, I think this today will be very technical driven, and we will see how it goes. And then we sorry. So and then we go for the technicals for indices. So SPY is at all-time high, uh, very strong here. I think we will see a nice big push again today. So we will see what happens. But uh, it is an all-time high. So I'm not tempted to short here. although and then for the Nasdaq we see the same thing, which is just pushing up higher and higher. uh, I think for today we will still seeing the nice push again, uh, but the cooling down might be coming from the next week. We will see. But for today, I think it's not it's not a short day at all. Um, IWM, we see a little bit weakness here, but that's very typical for IWM to be the weakest of the three. Uh, we just keep falling and falling. So very like is I think Wix has been very low lately, and I think it might be like this for a while. And I think the times of the same as COVID, where we have a very low, very high Wix, it might not come back into the near future, I guess. Yeah. And then we got Apple. Apple is now approaching this 223 level, which I draw around or here, right? Uh, I think it might be slowing down for a little bit. I expect to see some Shopee action today. Uh, so Amazon caps down big on earnings. I guess I haven't seen this yet. So basically, Amazon caps down. I think I don't know the main reason yet, but this could potentially be we will need to find why they cap down. But I guess it's about the is lower than expectation as usual. Um, but this could potentially be for an overreaction, I guess. But the gap down is not that big, so 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 we need to be very cautious about this. Uh, but very interesting to see how Amazon will work out. I need to see this. And then we have a Broadcom. So Broadcom has been hot lately, and I think we should expect some pushback here, consolidation here. Meta Meta is very strong, and I think we should expect some cooling off around here. Although I don't see any just as of right now. Microsoft is basing around here. I expect it to go to close the channel right here. But overall, Shopee action. Uh, MicroStrategy again is sitting in the high range. We can see that a lot of the big names here are sitting in the high range, and this could be for a while. But this one is very interesting for Netflix. If it ever go back to around this level, the break and retest kind of thing, I think this is very good place to make some long trade. However, I might not go for the actual Netflix. I might go for the Netflix leverage ETF, uh, just because it's cheaper that way. And but overall, very interesting to take long on this. And then Nvidia, I think the the, the pop up will I think it will be cool down today. Uh, I think uh, that is interesting for Nvidia to get short here. Uh, Palantir, um, this is actually beautiful for Palantir actually. Yeah. Hmm. This is very similar to earning drift play that I should be catching on next time around. But I think we should watch this for quite some time. And then got Tesla. Tesla, I, I was stopped out around here yesterday, and I think although we see uh, this candle, but I think it will just uh, it's going down now for Tesla. Google, yeah, and then PayPal. Hmm. All right, so I don't see big uh, interesting stocks for today for big names. Yeah. So basically technical driven today. Not much going on other than Pinterest. Uh, but I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening.